my name is Haley Engel. This video is for the A&P Module 5 lab assignment. The assignment was to visualize and identify 6 of the appendicular muscles. The first one I've selected is this muscle. It is the sartorius muscle. Second muscle selected is the vastus lateralis, found right here. And this muscle is the vastus medialis. Third muscle selected. I'm going to turn this around to visualize the next muscle that I've selected, which can be found here. It is the gracilis muscle. Here we find the triceps brachii, and on the opposite side we find the biceps brachii.